I don't see many people guessing it. Maybe it's too hard, and let's make it easy for you. And the first position goes to Priya Khatri. Congrats, Priya. You get the first position, and a great job. I'm not able to find your presentation. Yeah, this is your presentation. Again, Priya, like, I really loved your presentation, overall presentation. And for Priya, I know she deserves the first prize because she did everything. She checked all the boxes. A presentation, she did a video presentation, and it was good. And her presentation, this deck that she prepared, it's really good. It's fantastic. And the kind of visuals that she used, the kind of recommendations that she provided, it was not cluttery. It was very easy to understand. And the research, you have to go to a LinkedIn post to see that why she deserves the first prize. Maybe I need to go back. Yes. So she used additional research on top of all these things that she has done. She used additional research, such as she used Swachh Bharat mission report. She used that infrastructure data, and she provided that as well. So she did a lot of things in a correct way, and probably she didn't excel in one thing like really good, but she did all things in a correct way. So that's why I think, Priya, you deserve the first prize. And I also